In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Tan A is equal to root 3 is given. Root 3 is equal to tan 60. Therefore, tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 is equal. Therefore, tan A is equal to tan 60. Tan A is equal to tan 60. So, angle A is equal to 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Angle sum property. Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus of angle A plus angle B. Angle A is 60 degrees, angle B is 90 degrees. 60 degrees plus 90 degrees is 150 degrees. 180 degrees minus 150 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 30 degrees. We have angle A is equal to 60 degrees, angle C is equal to 30 degrees. First problem, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Here A is equal to 60 degrees, C is equal to 30 degrees. So sin A is sin 60, cos C is cos 30, cos A is cos 60, sin C is sin 30. Sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Plus as it is, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Fraction into fraction, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Plus as it is, fraction into fraction, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Addition of fractions, denominators is same. So LCM is 4. Numerator is 3 plus 1. Numerator is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 upon 4 is 1. Here we have angle A is equal to 60 degrees and angle C is equal to 30 degrees. Second sum, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. A is equal to 60 degrees, C is equal to 30 degrees. Cos A is cos 60 degrees, cos C is cos 30 degrees, sin A is sin 60 degrees, sin C is sin 30 degrees. Cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2, cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2, minus as it is. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Fraction into fraction, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 times 2 is 4, minus as it is. Here is also fraction into fraction, numerator into numerator, root 3 into 1, root 3, 2 times 2 is 4. Difference of fractions, denominators are equal, numerators also equal. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 looks like x minus x is equal to 0. Therefore, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is 0. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.